Check out the coolest toy for kids. This is a Dodge Challenger ride-on vehicle. It has a remote control, or your child can drive it themselves and be totally independent. It has LED headlights that really work, Bluetooth capabilities, so your kiddos can play music and just cruise the streets in style. Let's get it unboxed so you could see all of its capabilities. It is such an easy build and so much fun to play.
The controller takes 2 AAA batteries, not included. Check out these rims. It has the SRT logo. They look like real alloy rims. These are so cool. Got the instruction manual, side view mirrors, and charging cable. This is so cool. Even the paint has that like custom finish to it. This is amazing. The headlights are so accurate. Just a disclaimer while I am building, I just want to let you know, I thought I was missing parts. So I have the windshield missing, and then I had 2 extra alloy wheels missing, but I found them inside of the body of the vehicle. And I also found the steering wheel in the body of the vehicle as well. So keep that in mind in case you're looking for any missing parts. They're going to be wedged in here, and they do this so they can ship it easier, like have like a smaller shipping container. But unfortunately it's hard to get out because it's like putting a square peg through a round hole. I guess that makes sense, but either way, everything's been located. All of the parts are here, so now we can go back to building. After removing these twist ties from underneath the actual bottom of the vehicle, I'm going to install the tires. All you have to do is just remove the nut and then attach the tires and then reinstall the nut. Turn the vehicle on its back, because what's going to happen is these little rods are going to keep coming out. Just put something protective on it so you don't rub off the paint. I love the detail here with the tire. I think these are supposed to be the brakes. I'm not like literate in cars, but they really sporty. They are so cool. Now, because it's a kid's toy, this is all for like aesthetic. Next, I'm going to install the steering wheel. This is going to take 2 AA batteries. And once those are installed, you can hear this. It's a real working horn. So when you line this up, it's actually pressure mounted. So a child can't easily take it off. It almost has like a child lock on it. And if you ever wanted to remove it, you would just have to pinch this part and pull out. Next, I'm going to attach the battery cables together. And it does come with a separate charging cable. You just plug it in and charge it up. This would normally have the seat covering it, but you can actually access this just by detaching the seat, loosening this part up. And you can see that the 2 wires are disconnected. You just connect these 2 wires together and you should be able to start up the vehicle right away. Like usually they come fully charged when you get it, but they do require that, you know, they recommend that you do charge it up. But for this specific purpose, I'm going to see if it works right now. Almost immediately, I had power once I put it on. Next, I'm going to install the seat, and you just have to put 2 screws in over here to secure it. And this is part of the restraint. Now I'm putting the back of the seat in, and again, you're going to be using 2 screws to secure the seat. And you have a shoulder restraint that buckles in. Keep your kiddo nice and safe. So cute, so realistic too. Oh my gosh, I love it. I also love these really fun features at the open and close door. really cute. We have like this little button here. So cute. Your child can just step in and have a nice cruise. Let's check out the steering wheel and the dashboard, and I'll show you the remote control. First, let's check out that steering wheel. Both buttons beep when each one is activated. Then over here we have this really cool accessory panel. We have a push button start. This button controls a light switch. This is the integrated multifunctional MP3 player. Now this works via Bluetooth, so all you have to do is just turn on your Bluetooth settings and then look for a device named 2001-B, and then you'll be able to play music from any device that is Bluetooth enabled. You can also access your FM stations as well by pressing mode.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
So by pressing mode, you access Bluetooth, or press mode again,
The radio mode up.
where you can access FM stations. I'm not even sure what FM stations are even out anymore. Listen to that baby purr. This button right here is responsible for putting the vehicle in drive, like forward or in reverse. Then we have this pedal right here that your little one can press on to move. In order to sync up the remote control, make sure this vehicle is turned off when you put the batteries in, and then just turn it on. When this LED indicator light stops flashing, that means that the remote control is paired up with your vehicle. Now, normally this would be the part where my little one test drives the vehicle. He's sick right now, so I have to rely on this handy remote control to show you how it works. First, you're gonna buckle your little one in, really simple. Their shoulders, their shoulder straps, and they click right in. And they're also adjustable too. Very responsive. Check out the tires right there. Look at that, even the steering wheel moves. I'm gonna have a follow-up video with my son going for a spin in this amazing ride-on vehicle. This is so cool. Overall, I think the controller is very responsive. It does kind of lose connection if you're far away from it, so just stay close. You're gonna wanna stay close to if you're like in an area that's not closed off with your child anyway. And honestly, I would highly recommend it. This is such a great toy. It's built well. It's safe, it doesn't go too fast. It gives kids that sense of independence as well. I highly recommend it. This is such a cute, really accurate toy, from the tires, the rims, even up to the steering wheel and the seat. This is so cool. Love it.